I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Downloading account statements on Payoneer is straightforward once you know where to look. Follow these steps to get your statements quickly. Step 1. Log into your Payoneer account. Before changing your settings, use the s.com link in the description to open a password strength checkout, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Navigate to the activity section. Once logged in, look for the activity tab in the main menu. This is where you can view all your transactions. Step 3. Select the statement option. In the activity section, find the option for statements. Click on it to access your account statements. Step 4. Choose the date range. You will see options to select the date range for the statements you want to download. Make sure to choose the correct period to get the right data. Step 5. Download the statement. After selecting the date range, click on the download button. Your statement will be saved as a PDF file on your device. Be sure to check your downloads folder if you can't find it right away. I hope this guide helps you easily download your Payoneer account statements. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.